Hey, I'm Cam, and I am starting my very first week of my weight loss journey using Noom GLP-1, and I am so excited. I really feel like my life is about to change. I am so ready to be feeling myself and start my hot girl summer, spring, winter, fall, I'm gonna be a hot girl all the time. I'm gonna be a hot girl every day. I'm like nervous because I have never given myself a shot, but I just know that it's gonna be the right decision for me. And it's that simple. My weight loss goals are really just to feel more myself. I feel like mentally, emotionally, physically, I just feel kind of like weighed down by food. And I really feel like using Noom GLP-1 is going to help me not only lose the weight, but like keep weight off and developing healthy habits along the way. Which honestly, like that's why I chose Noom. Okay, this is cool. First, we have like the actual medicine. It comes in this thing to keep it cool. It is trusted, powerful, sustainable. It is falling. Oh, it is smaller than I thought it would be. Look at this. Look, it's like smaller than my glasses. I guess good things come in small packages. Up next, it says check your dose. It's like information about semaglutide. Oh, it's even got, look at this. It's even got like directions on like how to inject it, which thank you. I will be needing. I've never used anything like this before, so it's nice to have clear instructions on how to do it. We've got beautiful little syringes and some alcohol swabs to keep it clean. This is like everything that I've ever wanted. Follow along and see how it goes. But I think this is the right decision for me. I'm so excited.